Hello, my name is Caleb and I'm going to take you a short tutorial on how to use the service attendance portal. So now this is where members will register. Any member that doesn't have an account, they come here to register. Now they fill in the details, the selecting the place of work, office address. So now this is required by the federal government. They want to know where they stay and where they work and stuff like that. So then you select if you are a worker, whether you are media, choir, pastoral, entrance or anything. So this one is not compulsory. Then when you submit, so you come here, log in here. When you've created your account, now you can book a seat. So you can either log in as an admin or as a member. If you are logging as a member, the system automatically knows. If you are logging as an admin, the system also knows. So right now I'm going to log in as an admin here. This is my identity, so I click on book a seat. So now it will take me to the portal. Now for those who are not admin, they will not see these two modules here, but they will only be seeing this one. But because I'm an admin, I can see the three. So the first thing you want to do is to create a seat, because you need to create a seat that they are going to book. So creating that seat is like you are creating an event. So you create a seat. So when you come here, so now these are the seats that I have created before. So you fill in the type of seat. Maybe you want to give it a name, like this one I give it choir seat. And when you do that, you select the category. So here we have edited or redesigned categories, namely member, worker, pastor, choir. So these are the four major categories that exist in any church organization. So it's either you are a member, you are a worker, pastor, choir. So this worker now covers every other workers that are not pastors or choir. So when you select that, then you also select now whether it's first service you want to create this events for, or second service, third, fourth, or fifth service. So then you select the dates, and now this quantity is the number of seats that are available that you want to create for that particular seat name here. So let's say choir members are 10, and due to the COVID social distancing, so you may think that okay, let us reduce choir members to choir seats to 5. So you put 5 here. So then you select second. So now maybe you want some other choir members to come from other service. So you can select the service here. Then the date of the event, that is the date of that Sunday service. So which means if you are going to be doing it now, probably you will do it like 4 days to the main date. So you select the date of the event here. So then you click on the submit. So when you click on submit, it will show here. So now these are the ones I've created. So you can see at a glance what you have created. This is like, if you look at here now, the choir seat, the category is under choir, service type, first service, date, total. So this is the total number of seats. The number of seats that are already in the book is 2. Available seats is 4. So I can delete. Let's say I make a mistake, I can delete and edit. Sorry, I can edit and delete. And there's one thing also I want to say. Okay, so I can just do any of that. If I don't want to always delete every Sunday, I may just come here to edit and change if I click on edit now, I can change the date, the quantity, that is number of seats, and maybe the name, because you don't want to have the same name in this one. So or you may still have it, but the only thing you'll be changing is the quantity and the date. Or if you want to delete and create something else, there's no problem. So once you've created the seats, now people can book a seat. So they can click on book a seat, and you also can book a seat. Now when they select, they check So now, if you are a choir member, you select choir. If you are just a member, you select member. If you are a pastor, so anything, because if you look at it, we only have choir member categories here. That's because when we created the seat, we only created seats for choir, and member. So you can see choir, member. So now this one is for second service. I want to come for second service. So we have not created for any other group of people yet. We only created for these two, choir and member. So that is why you can see that in the book the seat section. So now let's say I want to put the seat for a member now. So it will automatically generate my seat number, which will start with M41. First member, that's the name of the seat. First service, so which means this member is booking for first service. So, and this is the time of the listing. Then the one of the good thing about this is that you can select the service you want to just come for. So it's the one, because it's the available one it will give you. And so you can also, let's say you're not a member, you're a choir member, you select choir. So you see that the seat serial number is different. This one is C, while the other one is N. So now let me try and book the seat now reserve. So it's telling me now that you cannot book twice. This is because I have already, this is my name here, I have booked choir seats for first service, event date. And now you may be wondering why my name is showing twice here. Now if you look at the date, you see the date is different. This thing works with date. Yes, I may be a member and also I'm also a chorister. So let's say this particular Sunday I am not going to be singing. So I'm just going to be part of the members. I'll select members. So it will show there. So but the following Sunday, during the roster, they may say, okay, I'm going to be officiating, I'm going to be singing. So I won't want to select members. I will now select choir. So that is why, yes, my name can always occur in different categories. But it will be on different dates, not that same date. It will be on different dates. If you look at dates, it's different. On this date, I was a choir member because I booked for choruses. Now, on this date now, I booked as a member. So, now, if we now come to the attendance, so you can generate reports. Now, if the government officials come to your church and they want to see reports of those that have been coming so far, so you can generate reports based on any date. You just click on generate reports. So it will show here now no dates, nothing has been done for 5. So let us look at 6. This is 6. September 6. Let's generate a report for September 6. Okay, so now we have only one choir member that has booked the seat, and I can export to Excel here for anybody that you want to give. So just export to Excel and give them the Excel copy. So now let us go back to the booked seat. Now, when people are coming to the church, because it's very likely that some people may not register, or they may just bring the seat number that is not valid. So once now this section, this view section, is only the admin that can see this. Every other person that are not admin will only be seeing this reserve seat. They can't see this side. So all I just need to do is come here. If I want to search for the serial seat number, so let me search for seat number CM42. Let us search for seat number M42. So once I start typing, see it will be narrowing down. So I just have only 2 records here. So if I have a lot of records, you'll see it in the proper display. So it is in this section you search for anybody's seat number, and if the seat number is not there, it will not show anything here. But if the seat number is there, to show that okay, this is the member. So that's just it, and that's how to use it. But I can only spell that. Thank you.